Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the engine table build, the V8 engine table build. This is going to be the second to last video. We are doing the motor attachment so that we can actually finally get this thing to spin on a motor. And this will consist of three parts that we need to do. First thing is we need to clean and attach our flywheel. The second thing will be mounting our motor by welding a bracket, a plate, anything. And then thirdly is 3D printing a gear so that we can attach it to the starter gears of the flywheel and have it spin. It's that simple. So let's get started by cleaning this off first. Alright, nice and shiny. That's the wrong side. I never polished that, I just sanded it. Hold on. Bang, nice and shiny. Looks great, exactly what we want. Now we gotta attach it to the engine. So we're gonna put it on, flip it back over, and then figure out where our motor is gonna sit. All attached, engine spins, no problem. So now it's time to grab our motor and basically figure out where it's gonna sit and kind of line it up so that it's lined up with the gears here. Alrighty, we tacked in our little bracket. I got 3 little tacks here. I literally used it from some angle iron and it turned out perfectly. The next thing we need to do is basically design our gear. Gears I've never done on CAD, but it can't be that bad. So let's do it. Okay, so I made a few mistakes with the initial design of my wheel. I 3D printed this. Firstly, according to my previous video, I should have a 7mm radius. So this is way too big. This is what it should be. It should be small. Because that's what we calculated for the motor. Obviously I installed it and it wouldn't spin the engine. Also took a little bit of hammering here to get in, so I did make it also bigger on there. We're gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna print this. It should take a lot shorter than this. This took about like 5 hours because obviously I did 100% infill. Let's print it and check it out. Alright guys, exciting stuff. Just got it tacked in right here. Gears in also. As you can see, I've already tried it right over there. I've hooked it up, and when you turn it on, this thing spins. Holy cow. Look at that. That's so exciting. This is gonna look so nice with the glass on top, sitting on the ground, connected to the cables. Look at this. Got this wobble right now because obviously I have the tacks in. It's got this movement. Hopefully when I tack it in, it'll stay nice. So yeah, super exciting. This works. I'm gonna take this off, fully weld it in, attach everything the way it needs to go. Let's get to welding. Alrighty, here's our weld. Looking good. Obviously I'm gasless, so it's gonna be some boogers. Final thing I'm gonna do for this video is I'm gonna put this motor back on and let it run for a couple hours and see if it heats up. I'll check it every couple of minutes, 10 minutes, and I'll see if it heats up. I'll see how the 3D printed gear holds up, if it melts. Yeah, in the next video I'll just paint. We'll get a glass on the top, we'll put it on the ground and basically have it done. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, do whatever if you liked it. And hope to see you in the next one. When we finish it all up, we get the final product. Enjoy working on stuff. Do this yourself because it's a lot of fun. So, peace, y'all.